We're back at it on Project Cat, and we're getting straight into it. We're going to pull the carb to bits and see what's going off inside there and get to the root cause of this misfire. Right then, let's have this filter off. Second one, no, filter off. We'll see a bit going on there straight away. It's very black on that left side. That's where all the backfiring is happening then. So, 4 screws, we'll get them pulled off. So these undone. There's one. Two. Three. Number 3. And number 4. Pull that off. Okay, so those off. And come over there. Okay, so there's a gasket. That's pretty darn welded on there. Oh, there we go, it's broke. Right, we'll order a new gasket, not a problem. That's okay. Right, what's going on? So, looks a bit questionable on there, doesn't it? Well, a bit mucky down there as well. Those jets look a bit mucky. So, well, we'll keep going. Keep taking it to bits until we find something. Right, let's have a look inside the float. So that's those 2 there, those 2 there, and those 2 there. So 6 in total. Let's pull the float off. Oh, that's loose. We're going to disconnect these lines. Oh, it's all come loose anyway. Oh, I see, I took the choke linkage off, look. Right, I'm learning. How do you get to that? That's quite difficult to get out there, actually. Well, many swear words later, and I've got that C-clip off. That is not nice to get off that choke linkage down there. Okay, so we'll top the carb off. So the float looks like. So you can see the left bank, this one here, which is I've been suffering that very, very rich. There's something going on there that shouldn't be anyway. It's got the original brass float, so it's good to see. We'll check if they've got holes in them, which so far so good, they don't. I'm going to take this filter out of here shortly. There's the accelerator pump. We've got a new one of those coming. Yeah, something going on down there, haven't they? Yeah, it's a bit wet there, look. Wet there. A little wet along the edge there. I wonder if it's sucking air there. Looks like there's sand at the bottom of there, look. Doesn't look good either way, does it? Jets appear to be okay in there. And down there, they don't appear to be blocked or anything. So, we're going to take off the diaphragm now. Check that for a hole. The kit I've ordered has got one included, but it's just interesting to see. I'm trying to find the root cause why I'm having this misfire. It's not ignition, she's starting fine, she's idling fine. She's misfiring under load. Some these. Yep. Right, okay. What we're idling there then? Pull that screw first. Have a look. It appears to be intact. Let's take that vacuum line off. Oh, leave you down there a sec. Okay, springs there. Housing looks okay, it's not cracked or anything. Could do with clean yet, but it's not. Looks okay. There's the diaphragm. Looks alright. It doesn't appear to be split anywhere from what I can see. Can't see anything through, can't see any light through that, so it's not that then. Okay, we ran out of time last night. I want to get the body now pulled off the manifold and finish dismantling off the car. Here's where we left off. I've just put the float chamber back on top. I'm going to take that off now. Again, move that out of the way. So where we left off, got a little sand like sediment in the bottom there. See it better in the light. So what I need to do is pull off this vacuum line. There's a vacuum line around here. Let's pull off. Undo the 4 bolts, undo the throttle linkage over here, and then that then should come away. Oh, choke cable. We'll take that off. Okay, so these vacuum lines off. There's one. And there's the vacuum advance on the distributor. There we go, there's that off. Let's have the choke cable removed. And we'll undo this. There we go. Throttle linkage next. And we'll just pull on that, I think. There we go. And we'll keep that clamp as well safe. What I'll do now is the 4 bolts, or the 4 nuts that hold it on, which look like 13mm to me. Oh, they are loose. They are very loose. Can't get to that one. Where can't I get to you? It's loose again. Oh, pretty loose. And that one. Oops. Come here. There we go. I believe now that's fully disconnected. Quick look. Here's the wobble. Yeah. She's loose. Right, let's have it off. Nice. Let's have a look in there. Not look too bad in there. We'll get a clean out while we're in there though. And onto the carburetor now it's off. I'll look around it. There's my modification I made to the choke. So what I've done, I've took a return spring off an SU carburetor. Because with this manual choke, works well in principle, but I found it wasn't auto returning. Right, we'll continue checking this to bits.
The bloody hell are you doing? The dining table! No cloth, no nothing. You've got a massive garage out there and you're choosing in here to take your car apart.
Right, I've now got a cloth. Mint dog house. Oops. So what I've done, I bought a kit from Total Performance 50 on eBay, which is a full rebuild kit including the float for a Weber 3236 DGAV. So we've got a whole pile of gaskets, a diaphragm, we've got new O-rings, we've got a new accelerating pump, a new float needle in there. There's the float, a plastic float. Although I'm going to inspect the brass one that's on here and see if that's got any holes in it. If it hasn't got any holes in, I might reuse the brass one because it's just nice to have original parts. Let's get into this. Let's start putting some things to bits. Actually, no. Let's not start putting things to bits. Let's have a read. We want carburation, fuel exhaust and emission control systems. Weber Dual Venturi. There we go. Oh, there's a filter in here. Let's have a look in there. 17. No way. Miles off. 19? 19. Have a look. Have a look at getting this one done. Yeah, right.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Well, game over. I'm trying to get the filter off. I broke this look and cracked the housing. Yeah, there we go. Great. just great. Snapped clean off. That's what it should be. And I've slipped the spanner and it's broken.